So you walk into class the other day and your teacher says, hey, check this out. I'm super cool and tech savvy and I posted your work for today on Schoology. So what I need you to do is to log into your account, open up the assignment, do your work, and then submit it to me through Schoology. It's going to be super great. We're going to save the environment. We're going to save tons of paper. And most of all, you're going to save me a big long walk down to the copy room. And you're all like, oh my gosh, that sounds great, but I'm really anxious because I'm not quite sure how to submit an assignment through Schoology, and I'm for sure not sure how to make sure that all my work got saved. Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First thing, let's open up this assignment. Boom. When I click on the assignment, it takes me to the assignment page. On the assignment page, I can see a description, some instructions that my teacher has left for me. After I read them, I'm going to click on my document. This opens up a page where I can see the Word file that I'm going to be working with. Now, this is not a working Word file on this page. I cannot click on here and do anything. In order to open that Word file up, I need to click Edit. Okay, and you see next to the Edit button is the Submit button. After we make some edits, we're going to come back and we're going to submit it. Okay, save our teacher a bunch of walking, and we're going to save a bunch of paper. So let's make some edits. I'll show you how to make sure all the work you do gets saved. This Word file is going to automatically open up in Word Online. Word Online is great because it automatically saves anything you do right then and there. You don't have to even think about it. It does it automatically. So let's type my name in here and I'll show you what I mean. All right, Mr. Johnson. Check it out up here. It says it's saving. Give it a moment. Now it's saved. It automatically saved the changes I made. How awesome is that? All right. Now, if you're like me, you prefer working in the desktop app. So I like to use Word in the desktop app for a number of reasons. It's got more tools up here. You don't run into formatting issues, and I just find it's easier to use. So I'm going to open it in the desktop app, and I'll show you how to make sure your work gets saved there. Now the desktop app and Word Online are connected, so check it out. The changes that I made in Word Online are already saved right here. So that's a check. I can check to make sure that my changes got saved. When I'm working in Word Online, it doesn't automatically save my changes unless I tell it to. All right, so you want to go up here in the top left corner where it says autosave and make sure that button is clicked on. If you click it again, it turns it off. All right, we want that button turned on. All right, with that button on, any changes we make are going to get saved automatically. So check this out. I'm super awesome, so I'm going to say Mr. Johnson did all his work today. Let's look at the top. It's currently saving my work. Give it a moment. Let it finish. And it should say saved. It's taking a few more seconds than Word Online. Any moment now. Boom, there it is. It's saved. All right, everything I've done has been saved. Now from here, you could click on the share button. When you click on that share button, it automatically emails a copy of this Word file to your teacher. That file ends up in their inbox. Right? You don't want to do that. Your teacher gets so many emails every day. You don't want to clutter their inbox with your work. Plus, they asked you to submit it in Schoology. So we're not going to click the share button, and we don't need to. My work's been saved. I can close this Word file. Remember, this file is connected with the online version. So let's take another look at it and make sure all my work got saved. This is another check. Yeah, Mr. Johnson did all his work today. Good job, Mr. Johnson. I'm proud of you. All right. My work's been saved. I can close this tab and go back to Schoology. Now, I'm going to reload this page. When I do that, I should see the changes I made in the file on this page. And check it out. There's our third check. Yeah, Mr. Johnson did all his work today. There's the proof of it. Now, I'm ready to submit this. And to submit it, all you have to do is click this button. It's super easy. And it's going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, you want to submit, or no, not quite yet. Maybe I have some more work to do. I'm going to submit it. Let's wait a moment, and now it gets really exciting. There's a rocket! Successful launch! Yay! Your submission is on its way. Click done. And check it out. Here's your fourth check. It tells you that it's been submitted. Now your teacher can see your assignment in their Schoology account. They don't have to walk to the copy machine. You've saved paper. You've made your teacher happy. What could be better than that? Have a great day.